Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in today's class, let's start with the question number 11 of exercise 4a. Question number 11 is arrange in order from least to greatest. It means smallest to greatest. That means in ascending order, right? Now, if you have observed in these rational numbers, in these given rational numbers, denominators are different. And as I explained you in introduction video, when we compare more than two rational numbers, firstly we make their denominators equal by taking the LCM of these denominators. So take the LCM of denominators 6, 3 and 12. 2 3s are 6, 3 as it is, 2 6 are 12, again by 2, 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So the LCM is 3 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, that is 12. Now we will make all these denominators 12, right? So take the first one, this minus 9 upon 6. You want to make the denominator 12, minus 9 upon 6. So multiply denominator by the 2. 6 2s are 12. So multiply the numerator also by 2. So 9 2s are 18 of minus sign, 6 2s are 12. Take the next rational number, minus 4 upon 3. Make its denominator 12 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. So multiply the numerator also by 4. Multiply them. 4 4s are 16 of minus sign. 3 4s are 12. Take the third rational number, minus 17 upon 12. If you observe, in this rational number denominator is already 12, so no need to multiply with any number. Now compare them, this minus 18 upon 12, minus 16 upon 12, minus 17 upon 12. You want to compare in ascending order. That means firstly you will find the smallest one. Denominators are same. So how will you check? You will check the numerators now, right? 18, 16 and then 17. In this 16 is the smallest one, then 17, then 18. But when minus sign comes with them, जब minus sign आ जाता है इनके साथ, it becomes opposite, right? जो smallest number था वो क्या बन जाएगा? Greatest number. और जो greatest number था वो क्या बन जाएगा? Smallest number. And 17 will be, minus 17 will be the second one, right? So first number will be, smallest number will be minus 18 upon 12, and minus 18 upon 12 was equals to minus 9 upon 6. So this is the first one. Then second one is minus 17 upon 12, right? So this was same, so this is the second one. Third one is minus 16. So this one minus 16 upon 12, and this was equals to minus 4 upon 3. This is the third one. So now arrange them. First one is minus 9 upon 6. Second one is minus 17 upon 12. And the third one is minus 4 upon 3. This is your answer. Now the next part, minus 3 upon 5, 7 upon 10, minus 5 upon 6. Denominators are different. So make them equal by taking the LCM of these denominators. Right? 5, 10, 6. In the middle one, denominator is of minus sign. So we will make it positive later. Right? Firstly, take the LCM of 5, 10 and 6. 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. 5 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 as it is. So the LCM is 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30. So you will make the denominator 30. Take the first rational number minus 3 upon 5. Make the denominator 30. 5 6 are 30. So you will multiply by 6. Multiply this numerator also by 6. 3 6 are 18 of minus 9. 5 6 are 30. Take the next rational number 7 upon minus 10. Denominator is negative. So firstly make it positive. How we can write it? Minus 7 upon 10. Right? Now to make the denominator 30, you will multiply it by 3. Right? 7 3s are 21 of minus 9. 10 3s are 30. You can also calculate it with the denominator negative. But if you will make it positive, it will reduce your mistakes. Now take the third rational number minus 5 upon 6. You want to make the denominator 30. 6 5s are 30. So multiply the numerator also by 5. 5 5s are 25 of minus 9. 6 5s are 30. Now compare them. Minus 18 upon 30. Minus 21 upon 30. Minus 25 upon 30, right? So which is the smallest one? When negative sign is there, the greatest value will be the smallest, right? Denominators are same, so we will check the numerators. And the greatest numerator is 25, but we have negative sign with it, so this will be the smallest one. Next greater number is 21. 21 next greater number है, but we have negative sign with it, so this will be the smaller. And this 18 was the smallest. Now because we have negative sign here, so this will be the greatest one. Arrange them in order. First will be this minus 5 upon 6. Second is 7 upon minus 10. And the third is minus 3 upon 5. This is your answer. Simple. Now the next question, question number 12, arrange in descending order. Previously we have arranged in the previous question, question number 11, in ascending order, that means smallest to the greatest. Now we will arrange in descending order, that means greatest to the smallest. Denominators are different, so make them equal by taking LCM of denominators. 5 is of negative sign, but I am just taking the LCM of the numerals, right? अभी साइन को अवॉइड करते हैं. Clear? Now because in standard form we usually write denominator positive, so I am taking positive numbers here. 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 15 as it is. By 3, 5 as it is, 5 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what is LCM here? LCM is 5 2s are 10, 2s are 30. LCM is 30. Now make the denominators 30. Firstly take the first rational number, which is 3 upon minus 5. 3 upon minus 5 can also be written as minus 3 upon 5. Right? This you have studied in previous classes also. You want to make the denominator 30, na? So 5 6 are 30. Multiply the numerator also by 6. So this becomes 3 6 are 18 of minus sign, and denominator is 30. Take the next one, minus 7 upon 10. Denominator is already positive, so make it 30. 10 3s are 30. So multiply the numerator also by 3. 7 3s are 21 of minus sign, and denominator is 30. Next rational number is 8 upon minus 10. Denominator is negative, so we will make it positive. How we can write it? Minus 8 upon 10. Right? Now make the denominator 30. 10 3s are 30. Multiply the numerator also by 3. Now 8 3s are 24 of minus sign. 10 3s are 30. Next rational number is minus 17 upon 15. Minus 17 upon 15. Make the denominator 30. 15 twos are 30. So multiply this also by 2. 17 twos are 34 of minus sign and denominator is 30. Now you will compare minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 30, minus 24 upon 30 and minus 34 upon 30. Right? As you know, we want to write in the descending order. So सबसे पहले हमको क्या लिखना होगा? Greatest number, and we have in all these rational numbers negative sign. So the smallest numerator, the rational number having smallest numerator will be the greatest. Why? Because denominators are same and the smallest numerator is minus 18. So this will be the greatest one. Second smallest is minus 21. This is the greater, right? Then this will be greater than this. And this is the greatest numerator, 34, but it has negative sign, so this will be the smallest one. So this will be at 4th place. Clear? Now arrange them according to their order. This is the greatest one. So firstly write 3 upon minus 5. Then second, greatest one now, this is the greatest one, minus 7 upon 10. Then smaller than this one, 8 upon minus 10. Then the smallest number is this one, minus 17 upon 15. So this is your answer. Now we have some multiple choice questions. Question number 12. When minus 3 upon 6 is written as a rational number with numerator 12. उन्होंने क्या बोला है? माइनस 3 अपॉन 6 को कैसे लिखना है? विथ न्यूमरेटर 12. न्यूमरेटर को 12 बनाना है. 3 4s are 12. साइन इज चेंजिंग. 3 माइनस का था ना, एंड 12 इज ऑफ पॉजिटिव साइन. So we will multiply by the negative integer. Multiply the denominator also by the same number. 3 4s are 12. Minus minus plus. 6 4s are 24. And plus minus minus. So they asked, then denominator is. What is the denominator here? Denominator is minus 24. So the option C is correct. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट इक्वल टू द अदर्स. चेक करना है कौन सा रेशनल नंबर जो रिमेनिंग रेशनल नंबर है उनसे इक्वल नहीं है. आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस हैं. या तो आप डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करके कंपेयर करिए, या फिर आप चेक कर लीजिए सबको रिड्यूस करके आर दे इक्वल और नॉट. दिस 40 एंड दिस 56 बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाय 4. 4 10s are 40 of minus sign. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 of minus sign. 2 7s are 14. So this is equals to minus 5 upon 7. This and this both are same. Let's check this one. Both are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35 of minus sign. So this is 5 upon minus 7. Let's check the next one. This is D part. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Now if you have observed, this is minus 5 upon 7, this is 5 upon minus 7, and this is minus 5 upon 7. All these rational numbers are negative, and minus 5 upon 7 can also be written as 5 upon minus 7. So A, B and C are equal. Which one is remaining? This D part is remaining. So this 15 upon 21, D is not equal. D option is correct. Students, this is question number 15. Which of the following cannot be written as rational number with denominator 4? A. We cannot write it as denominator 4. Why? Because if we will write as denominator 4, तो हमें क्या करना होगा? We will divide it by 2. तो अगर इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर को भी डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से. and numerator is not even number. This is not divisible by 2. So we cannot write this a part 7 upon 8 as denominator 4. And b part can be written 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16. So this is 5 upon 4. This can be written as the denominator 4. Now if we check this, 28 upon minus 32, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32 of minus sign. Again, this is not divisible by any same number. So this is 7 upon minus 8, which cannot be written as the denominator 4. So this option is also correct, right? These two cannot be written as the denominator 4. And this already have denominator minus 4. So we can also write it as minus 1 upon 4. So these two, b and d में क्या हो रहा है? Denominator को 4 लिख सकते हैं. This can be written in this form. But a and c cannot be written in the form having denominator 4. Right? So these two options A and C are correct. Because question में यही पूछा था किन रैशनल नंबर्स को डिनोमिनेटर 4 की फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते. So A and C are correct. Next question number 16. Which of the following pair of rational numbers is equal? You have two options. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं if you don't have equal denominators, right? Here in this part, a part can be written as minus 12 upon 16 and 10 upon minus 16 can also be written as minus 10 upon 16. This is minus 12 and this is minus 10. Denominators are same. तो क्या minus 12 minus 10 के equal है? No. Right? So this is not equal. Check the next one. Minus 15 upon 20. This can be also written as minus 25 upon 30. Cross multiply them. Minus 15 multiply 30. Minus 25 multiply 20. Solve it. 15 3s are 45. Minus sign 0. 25 2s are 50, 0 minus sign. Right? So these are not equal. ये भी equal नहीं है. Let's check the C part. C part is minus 8 upon 24 and this can be written as minus 7 upon 21. Cross multiply them. Minus 8 multiply 21 minus 7 multiply 24. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 of minus sign, 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16 of minus sign. Here this minus 168 and this is also minus 168. So both are equal. यही पूछा था which of the following pair of rational numbers is equal. So this pair is equal. So option C is correct. So students, with this question your exercise 4th A is completed. In next class we will start the next exercise. Till then keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.